dear. Good evening. I'm sorry I'm late. Hello, Kang. Wow. Oh, what's
Hello,
that? Oh, you are red today. Why your shirt is color red?
This is uniform.
Oh.
Uniform.
Okay, can you say it again? This is my uniform. Wow, you look so good on your uniform. You look so good on your uniform, my dear. Wow. Okay, how are you today?
Tick, 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 tick,
Oh,
tick, 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 tick. Boom.
how are you today? How are you now? How are you? How are you? Are you okay today? What kind of fish is that? Wow. Okay. How's the taste of your candy? How's the taste of your candy, my dear? I have that.
Don't candy.
I have a tape also. I have a tape also, my dear. I can see you. Okay. Did you eat dinner today? Do you know how to do this?
Hmm?
Did you know how to do this? Wow! No, you have to do this one. Yeah. Yes, good job. Very good. Yeah. This. Yeah. Very good, my dear. Good job. You have to do this one. Good job. Very good. Oh, did you eat dinner today?
Yes,
Oh, what did you eat?
I eat Sigma boy.
What? That's a song, my dear. Sigma boy, what's that? Did you eat human? Sigma boy? What did you eat again?
I eat eggs and meat.
Wow. I think you eat in a restaurant. Did you eat in a
I eat
restaurant?
in home. No, I eat in
Oh.
home.
Oh. Why, what's that? What did you do? What did you do? Oh, what kind of, is it in Minecraft or Roblox?
Roblox.
Oh,
This
wow.
is my skin.
Skin? Oh, skin.
Yes,
What kind of color is that, my dear? What kind of color is your skin? What color is that?
blue.
What?
Hello.
What color is that? No! No, it's yucky. No, don't do that, my dear. Don't do that. No. It's kind of dirty, you know? Okay, my dear. What did you learn on school today? What did you learn on school? What did you learn on your teacher? What did you learn today on your teacher?
Mới ra cho thế nào?
What? What did you learn?
Sao để yêu đấy?
What did you learn, my dear?
Thế nào cũng được. Thôi. Ok, thì lại.
What did you
Like thì
learn
like. Hoặc là chẳng lên.
What? What did you learn on your school?
Chi.
What did you learn at your school?
Cái gì? Mama mi.
Do you have a homework?
Yes.
Oh, what is your homework? Is it math?
Okay, first.
What is your homework, my dear? What is your homework? Is it kind of math? Is it math? What's
Không
that?
à.
Is it math, my dear, your homework?
Này cái này nghe bông gì?
Is it math your homework?
I don't know.
You don't know your homework?
Yes.
Oh, why? You didn't listen to teacher?
Yes.
Oh, so sad. It's bad. Don't do that, my dear.
Hello, baby.
Okay. We will going to learn now, my dear. You have to stop playing because we will going to learn again. So we will continue our activity on our Friday. So can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Again, my dear, you have to use going on your sentences. Okay.
Naman này.
Okay. What are they doing? What are
They
they?
are going to visit their grandparents.
Wow.
Mama.
Good job. Very good. Okay, next picture. How about this one?
They are going to watch TV.
Good job. Very good. Next.
What the hell? He is going to sleep.
Very good. Good job. Next.
They are going to
Oh, sorry.
Galaxy.
How?
Galaxy.
They're going to Galaxy. Wow. But the correct sentence is?
To read books with their grandma.
Good job. They're reading a books. Okay, next picture. What did he do? What did he do, my dear?
He is going to swim in the pool.
Good job. Very good. Next.
They are going to play football.
No. It's, what do you call this one? What do you call this one, my dear? What's this? It's, what do you call this one?
They are going to play soccer.
Good job. What color of the ball of football?
Yellow.
Yeah. I think. What, how about shape? What is the shape of soccer ball? No. Football.
I don't know.
Oh, but you like football, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but you didn't know the shape of the ball of football. Okay, next picture. What did she do?
She is going to water a plant.
Good job, very good. Next. Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Last. The last picture, my dear. What is the last pictures, my dear?
They are going to. She is going to. I don't know.
Okay.
To Zimbabwe.
Again?
He is going to see a doctor.
Very good, good job.
No.
Very good, my dear. Good job. Job well done. You did a great job today. Okay, next activity. You have to write and speak, my dear. Okay, first, write about what you're going to do tomorrow. Okay, for example, we'll have an example here. Okay, how about you? What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to get up early to have mom prepare for breakfast in the morning. I am going to study English, math, and science and clean the bedroom. In the afternoon, I'm planning to play my baby sister and listen to music. In the evening, I'm going to eat out and read a book.
Okay, good job, my dear. Very good. So, how about you? You have to tell me what are you going to do tomorrow? What are you going to do tomorrow? For example, I'm going to. Where are you going tomorrow? Where? Can you please, teacher? Where are you going tomorrow? Where are you going tomorrow? You have to fill in this one. For example, the example is the first. Okay. So how about you? What are you going to do tomorrow? I am going to. Where are you going to tomorrow? What are you going to do tomorrow, my dear? Okay, for example, this one. You're get up early to help my mom prepare for breakfast. So how about you? What are you going to do tomorrow? It depends on you if you want to write or speak to me on how you what you're going to do tomorrow. Hmm. What are you going to do tomorrow, my dear?
I don't know.
Oh, I think you're going to school. I okay, again. I'm going to get up early. I'm going to get up early to go to school. Okay, in the morning, I'm going to go to school and study English, maths, and science. In the afternoon, I am going to play. What did you do in the afternoon, my dear? What did you do tomorrow? Okay. Okay. How about in the morning? What you're going to do in the morning? How about in the morning? I am going to go to school and learn math, English, and science. Okay, my dear. What in the morning? What did you do in the morning? How about in the morning, my dear? What did you do?
Cappuccino. Assassino Pellegrini.
What did you do in the morning? What did you do in the morning? In the morning, I'm going to what? What are you going to do tomorrow? In the morning, what did
Whisper history.
Okay, in the morning, I'm going to go to school and learn history. Okay, how about in the afternoon? What did you do in the afternoon? Okay, good job. How about in the afternoon? What you're going to do in the afternoon? Speak with me. Wow, good job. And wow, very good. How about in the evening? Wow, good job. And last, wow. Okay, can you please read your answers?
This is my answer.
First, I'm going to. Okay, my dear, can you please read?
Going to get up early to walk to school. Study English. In the morning, I'm going to study English, math, Vietnamese, science, history, and geography.
Good job.
In the afternoon, I'm going to speak with friends and read a book.
Good
In the
job.
evening, I'm going to eat with my family and play game.
Wow, very good. Good job. You're a smart boy. Very good, my dear. Good job. Very, very good. Okay, next. Okay, my dear, you have to match the pictures to the sentences. Okay, my dear, for examples, that's a very cheap. So letter E. Because these are €5. The sweater is €5 only. So the sentences is that is a very cheap. So how about number 2? Now to number 8. What is your answer? You have to match the pictures on the sentences, my dear. For example, number 1, that's a very cheap, letter E, because the price is cheap. It's 5 only. Very good. Okay, letter E, expensive. Okay. Oh. Okay, are we going to reveal your answer? Oh, the answer number 2 is A, extinct, or it's too old. It's too old or extinct. Okay. Your number 2 is wrong. Okay. Number 3, that's interesting. Letter B. Oh, it's G, my dear. And that's interesting. She is interesting in pyramid. So your answer number 3 is wrong. Okay. Number 4, that's exciting. Letter A. Oh, it's H. It's interesting, my dear. It's letter H. So your answer number 4 is incorrect. Okay. You have to answer properly number 5 to 8. So you will get it right. So you have a check or you have a heart if you're correct, my dear. Okay, your answer number 5 is letter E. It's wrong. That's excellent. It's letter B because he is 10 out of 10. So your answer is wrong. Okay, number 8, letter. Okay, okay. Your answer number 6, that's very high. Oh, sorry. Your answer is wrong, my dear. So you have a incorrect. Okay, how about number 7? What is your answer? It's H. Oh, your answer number 7 is wrong. Okay, your last answer. They are expensive. Okay, very good, my dear. Good job. Your answer number 9 is number 8 is correct. Very good. You are 1 out of 8. So, oh, again, my dear. You have to answer it again. Okay. Again, my dear, can you please answer again your answer number 2 to 8? So you have to get it right. Oh, my dear, you have to answer number 2 to 8 again, so you can get it right. Okay, I will going to check your answer. Okay. Very good. Good job. Good job. Oh, that's interesting is letter G because she is interested in pyramid. Oh, okay. Letter H is exciting. Good job. Very good. Very good. Good job. Very good, my dear. Okay, my dear. The interesting is letter H. And letter G is, oh no, letter G is interesting. And exciting is letter H. Yeah. Okay. Good job, my dear. Very good. Okay. It's because you get it right. So we're going to proceed our next. Okay. Where did she go? Where did she go, my dear? Where did she go?
Go to museum.
Okay, again, she went to,
She went to museum.
good job. Okay, very good. Okay, next. But my dear, what are they going to do? Look at the pictures and ask and answer. Okay. See, how about Sandra? What are they going to do based on her bag? Where did he go? Where did she go? My dear Sandra. She is going to what? I think
He's to I don't know.
okay. She is going to the mountain because she have a flashlight, she have a tent, she have a woods. Okay. How about Robin?
Tennis is Robin. Robin went to tennis.
No, you have to put your answer going. He is going to, where did he go? Where did he go, my dear? He is going to what? What kind of sport is that? He is going to
Jack is going to football.
play soccer. That is a soccer. Again, my dear, the ball of a soccer is color black and white. The football is color brown. Good job. He is going to play tennis. How about Carlos?
Beach.
He is going to beach. Yeah, good job. Again, Carlos is going to museum.
Sandra is going to mountain.
Good job. How about Robin?
Mình sẽ khoan.
How about Robin, my dear? How about Robin? Where did he go? Where does he going tomorrow?
He's going to mountain.
How about Robin?
He's going to mountain.
No,
Sandra.
Robin. Robin.
Robin is going to tennis.
Oh, no. Robin is going to play tennis.
Robin is going to play tennis.
Good job. How about Carlos?
Sandra is going to mountain.
No, Carlos.
Carlos is going to museum.
Jack.
Jack is going to football.
Play.
Play football.
Okay, Jack is going to play football. Again, my dear?
He's going to play football.
Good job. How about Yan? How about Yan, my dear?
Oh, phải vẽ đấy.
Where did he go? Yan.
Jan is going to beach.
Okay.
Anh đọc đánh mò thôi. Đúng thì thôi, không đúng thì không chả sao. Sao thì cũng chỉ là ốc đánh mò.
My dear, Yan is going to ride a bike.
Jan is going to ride a bike.
Good job. Next. How about Clara?
Lara is going to Astro.
Okay, very good. Good job. That's all for today. And thank you very, very much because you listened to me. And goodbye, my dear. See you on Friday. Goodbye.
Good morning. Good. Goodbye every Monday. Every Monday.
See
Goodbye.
you on Friday. Goodbye.
Bye bye.